Hello, my name is Jimena Bolaños Anacona. I am 19 years old. Short black I am very sentimental. I am like Pitalito. I love listening to music. My favorite food is spaghetti. I like basketball. I have brother and three sisters. My younger sister Taliana, she is 10 years old, and my younger brother Fabian is 11 years old. And my two older sister Adriana Bolaños, she is 18 years old, and Luisa Arias, she is 16 years old. And my brother is student. My father, Fabio Bolaños, is a farmer. On his part, I have 7 uncles and 13 cousins. With his family, I don't know speaking. She are some people who involve high problems. My mother, Rosana Kona, she is high housewife. On her part, I have 11 uncles and 30 cousins. While my mother is family I am speaking, but they are people who give me advice, and that is very important for me. There is a very important person in my life. He is my boyfriend. What has become my unconditional support, take home what guides me has say advice. I'll say strength to get hurt, take on what tells my time nothing is impossible. What tell my time it is well and what is wrong. His work is agriculture, lives in Argentina Huila. His background is to student veterinary. His plagiate facture and very nice. His skin color is dark, thick texture, tall old fats, brown edges, large eyelash, beautiful smell. Thank you.